Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to highlight two green flags for Apple stock investors in 2023 and beyond. So let's begin starting with India. India is a massive market opportunity for Apple stock and could be huge green flag in 2023 and beyond. Apple CEO Tim Cook saying, looking at the business in India, we did set a quarterly record and grew revenue very strong, double digits year over year. Taking a step back, India is an incredibly exciting market. It's a major focus for us. We've been expanding our operations there to serve more customers. And 3 years ago, we launched the Apple Store online. And like you just mentioned, we opened two new stores a few weeks ago. These are the first two physical Apple stores in India. They opened those in the most recent quarter. So that's exciting. In addition to that, Apple has a number of channel partners in the country. And if you think about it here in the States, in the US, the channel partners are really important. Channel partners are companies like Target and Walmart and Verizon and AT&T that help Apple sell a lot of their products, right? Verizon, AT&T help Apple sell a tremendous amount of iPhones, and then Target and Walmart help Apple sell anything from iPhones to Apple Watches and AirPods. So those partners are a big deal, and the fact that Apple has partners set up in India and is expanding the physical location there is huge, right? That population in the country is massive, and there's a lot of people coming into the middle class. And CEO Tim Cook thinks that India is at a tipping point. So, one huge green flag for Apple stock investors in 2023. The second green flag for Apple stock investors in 2023 is the massive installed base of devices. They set a record of iPhone devices active in the world today, and the installed base of active devices right now sits at more than 2 billion. Think of that number. There's 2 billion active Apple devices in the world today: iPhones, Mac computers, Apple Watches, iPads, etc. Those are hugely beneficial for Apple in 2023 and beyond. Because if you think about it, if you have an Apple iPhone, you've probably subscribed to one or more of their services, right? If you've got an iPhone, you probably have Apple Music, or you might have Apple TV Plus, or you might have iCloud, or one or the other of their services, or you might be buying things on the App Store where Apple gets a meaningful percentage share in the revenue. It's a big deal for it. And CEO Tim Cook says that this is a huge asset for us, and it's a testament to the overall customer satisfaction, engagement, and loyalty of their customers. We also view that as a big asset. iPhone alone has a base over 1 billion. So there's more than 2 billion active devices, but the iPhone has over 1 billion. So it's also beneficial that more than half of the active devices are iPhones, because the smartphone is something that consumers engage with most often, right? The phone is the thing that you open and look at most often, more often than your laptop computer and your iPad. You're looking at your phone, you're taking it with you everywhere you go, where you might not be doing that with your iPad or your Mac computer, right? So that's why it's important, more important for Apple to have you purchase an iPhone than an iPad or a Mac computer. In addition to buying services on your Apple devices and buying from the App Store, if you've got Apple device, you're when the next time you go to upgrade, you're probably going to get another Apple device. So the fact that there's 2 billion active Apple devices right now is a solid positive indicator for the rest of 2023 and beyond, because those people that have those devices are probably going to upgrade every few years to another Apple device. Depending on how old your iPhone is and how much you use it, you might upgrade your iPhone every 3 years, every 4 years, every 2 years, whatever the case might be. You're going to upgrade that iPhone, and if you stick with Apple, that's a nice recurring source of revenue for Apple and a chance to sell you more devices down the road. So this is another green flag for Apple stock in 2023 and beyond, and it really good news for Apple stock investors. All right, but that's all I've got for this short video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.